so in love with NESHA, this forever. She a keeper and know she can be a diva. I do whatever to please her. My other half, my equal, it come to her, then I'm lethal. Ain't no DOLCE without NESHA. Lord knows that I need you. Can't get my mind off NESHA. No matter where I go, I got my mind on NESHA. This forever, she a keeper. Ain't no DOLCE without NESHA. Lord knows that I need you for real.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, DM Mafia? Yeah, it's your boy DOLCE, y'all. I'm back with another banger, y'all. Right now the kid's loud as hell, y'all, but NESHA was in there asleep with the baby when I got here. And y'all, I'm about to surprise her ass with some birds, but she just don't know I got rid of her dog for the birds, you feel me? This is about to be a crazy ass banger, y'all. A crazy ass savage, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like this video, subscribe to the channel, man. Keep rocking with us, y'all. Team DOLCE in the building, man. Let's get it. Gang. Alright, y'all. Let's get it, man. Ta-da! NESHA! You woke? You woke? Come look at this, I got a surprise. I got a surprise. I can't bring it. Why not? Because I can't bring it, I can't carry it. This shit heavy as fuck. I just carry it all the way in the house like this. Well, you gotta bring her with you. The fuck? Damn! How I'm aggravating? Come look at this shit. Special surprise. Ew. Psych. You gonna love this. It's big, ain't it?
What is it?
No, but like it's coming out mad. It don't matter what it is then. Big surprise. Big surprise. You want it?
Why you got a sheet on it?
Cause I want you to see what it is, y'all. I want it to be a surprise. I ain't wrap it up. It can't get wrapped up. The fuck?
Okay, come on.
You ready?
Yeah.
First. I'll tell you after. Tell you after.
Birds.
You feel me?
Birds.
Little birds and that, man.
Who is that for the kids?
For you.
What am I doing with some birds?
Some birds, shit. This is better than dogs. They having a dog with big teeth and shit.
There ain't nothing wrong with my dog. I might give him some braces then.
I'm like, this is birds, you feel me?
Look at him looking stupid. I don't want them.
Why you don't want the birds?
Give them to the kids. What am I doing with a bird?
They're better than a big teeth ass, saggy teeth ass dog.
Look, they got
with red black fur.
Something flying up.
That's little ass feathers. Like that's good luck when you see a little feather or something.
Look.
This they do anything birds do. They do anything birds do.
Look,
look, they on their own little swing, one green, one blue. Like that's perfect.
They is cute though.
Yeah, they raw.
But what I'm gonna do? They born.
They ain't born. You just gotta look at them like it and be like, oh, I think they can talk to a little bit. You just gotta say, the fuck, the fuck, the fuck. They gonna learn how to say it once they get. I look it up on YouTube and they be talking.
Oh, they saying shut up.
Look, he kicking it.
Look at them. What made you get birds though?
Cause I got tired of Dior, ugly ass.
I mean, Dior ain't going nowhere, so
Dior is gone already for these birds.
Dior gone.
Dior gone for these birds.
Dior ain't never gone.
Why the fuck would Dior be gone?
Dior probably outside. You ain't stupid.
He ain't outside at all.
Where he at?
He gone, fuck.
I know he's gone.
Fly away, birdies, fly away. Shall I let the birds out? Like that's what we can do. Like that's something Dior couldn't do.
Where y'all
He couldn't just fly around the house.
Y'all gone too?
No, my dog. I said my dog in there.
Never.
Like Dior, I just got tired looking at the teeth and shit.
You ain't get rid of my dog for no boring ass birds that I don't even want.
You mean boring ass birds? You can call it Tweety. You can be like the little old woman, like Tweety bird.
I want Dior. Like, why you always trying to play with my dog and shit? You better be trying to do a prank.
So look at this little bird. That one like a little pigeon.
And why the fuck they got a bow? Like, who told you to get him this bow? Like,
that's
you sitting there.
That's so they can dive in. It was
you
the same color.
my dishes.
That's because it was the same color as the shit. And that's so they can dive in. Like, you know,
Where
birds
they come from?
to wash yourself up.
Dior?
See, look at them on the side.
Look, it's stupid as fuck.
See, look, they flying shit. You want to just let them out?
No, I want Dior. Don't let them birds. Like,
I want to let them out.
Birds like where they came from. Get my fucking dog.
I'm about to keep these birds. See, look, he raw as fuck. Gymnastics type shit. Jumping from stick to stick.
No, that's
come on,
so,
now.
That's so
but
he can fly. Where's my
I don't never see birds. Look, that bitch about to fall and shit. You know, he ain't learning it. The fuck?
Where's Dior? I don't care about no Dior. Look, like, come on now.
They kick it though. Like Dior can't do that type of shit.
Why you fucking so loud?
But why not be? Shit, I'm happy as fuck about these little birds.
I'm sick about some little ass, bald ass birds. Where's my fucking dog? You don't take care of my dog at all to be playing around with my dog. Like, where's my dog?
Bird. So you can rub its tail and shit.
They shitting in their food and shit. That's nasty. Where's my dog?
But they birds, shit. They can eat
Where
the bird
is
shit.
my dog?
He gone. Damn, like, the people that gave me the bird, let's get the cage fully fixed up. Cause I just threw it in the car just like this. I gotta clean this.
So you gonna bring a coronavirus ass cage in our house?
They love water bowl.
How you know the people ain't got? Look, they fighting. Get them out of here. We're calling. I'm about to get aggravated as fuck. Like, where's my?
What you getting mad for?
Where's my dog?
He's somewhere ugly as fuck with some teeth that the underbite. The fuck?
What the fuck do I got to do? You don't have to look at me like I told you before.
Birdies. Say that hot.
They don't even talk. Where's my dog?
They don't talk. They little baby parrots. They parakeets.
Whoever got these ugly ass birds in the house and get the dogs. Now.
I'm not about to, my dog here.
No, I don't know why you kept that little ugly bitch. Where's my dog?
They wanted mine too, but I want to get my dog for some birds. Felt like giving my dog up for some birds, so I gave them
but
shit.
you gonna get my dog.
Because they wanted mine.
Why you ain't
they wanted mine. I just said they can have yours. Yours don't grow no more. And these birds, bro, like we can probably eat them if we wanted to, like chicken or something. Like if anything was that go wrong in the world.
Like you stuttering or something.
I'm saying all we gotta do is build them up, get them all big and beefy, and then if anything go wrong in the world, we can eat the bitches. If that comes down like that.
All the bitches for my fucking dog.
I'm not about to call nobody for no dog. Like, no, them teeth ain't walking back through this house. I'm telling you right now. But watch out, can you move? You see they kicking, they kissing, they have babies and they
I don't give a fuck.
Yours a boy and he couldn't do shit.
He can't do something. He got a big, he can get it.
This cage still in there though. Like you can just go in there and climb in there sometimes.
What's that climb again?
You gotta smell his little stuff sometimes if you miss them.
So I'm bringing these little loud ass, squeaky ass birds. What they gonna be chirping at early in the morning waking niggas up?
Let me see, I'm about to try to grab one. See if I can grab one. Stop, can I grab one? Stop smacking my hands.
I don't want them flying around my house. I don't want them flying.
Now, come on, little bird.
Hey, fucking look at that, hopping and shit. They come out. Don't let that dog out.
This ain't
Well,
this
that's
ain't
because I want my dog. I want my dog.
Don't let the dogs out. The fuck? Goofy, yeah.
You got all the jokes in the world, huh?
I ain't got no jokes.
I would fucking pack your fucking big ass nose. Call my dog. I mean, get my dog.
I'm about to pack no big ass nose. My nose ain't big. My nose is normal size nose.
It's like they packing their nose if they gonna pack your shit.
Stop smacking my arm, so that shit hurt. Damn. Dior gone. It ain't no getting it back. It ain't no thing to return. They let him go return this on Craigslist. They gone now.
So you went on Craigslist.
They gave me $100 in these birds. You think I'm about to just get my 100 back and these birds to Dior?
I would give $100 for my.
You act like you a purse or something like that.
Give me my dog.
Benefit on the bitch.
You can't benefit off these tweaking ass birds.
See, they can have babies. Dior couldn't do nothing but just walk around with big ass teeth. And I'm hitting my bird cage. If you don't want it, it's mine.
Okay, I don't want it. I want my dog. Give me my dog. Give me my dog before I shoot your dog outside right now.
See, they let you rub their little tails and shit.
Obviously, he not.
What you hate?
Because they need to be still flopping feathers and shit on my table. Where's my dog? Give me my dog.
Yeah, why they jumping around?
Why are they on the table anyway? Like, that's an unsanitary.
Because I wanted to surprise them.
You don't know who had this cage, who coughed in that cage, who sneezed, did all that. Give me my dog. Call my dog. Call my dog.
Don't punch me on my side. I'm telling you right now before I let these birds attack some shit.
What
birds
gonna attack?
I'm telling you right now.
Get the fuck out of them bitches.
Come on. Get up. Get up. Let me see if I can get one. Oh, shit.
Stop playing.
Let's take them back from Dior.
Go get my dog.
Let's take them back. I'd rather get Dior if they're going to try to attack some shit. Oh, let me try one more time.
Stop.
Can I grab one? Damn, I'm trying to get a little bird.
I want my bird right here. Chill out.
Come here, babies. Come here, babies. Oh, they trying to go crazy on me. Come here, little babies. Oh, shit. Oh, I quit. They going back. Go get call for Dior.
Look at all these fucking feathers on the table.
What that mean? That ain't feathers.
That is a feather.
Now move the stuff so I can put the stuff right there.
Shit, I got my baby.
Move stuff so I can see right there.
Daddy, call them back to my dog. Tell them I didn't approve of that. So I want my dog.
Got you some little birds and you don't even like them.
I don't like them.
Little woody woodpeckers.
Yeah, well, you shouldn't have. Maybe if you didn't get rid of my dog.
They shitty as fuck. They don't even let you touch them or nothing. I'm telling you right now. Dumb as fuck.
Can you call the lady who made
it? Look at them saying, oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. What? Corny ass. Look like you like a pigeon, blue one. Just look at that shit. I'm mad as fuck now.
Can you call them back to my fucking
dog? I'm not gonna fuck your dog. I'm gonna just keep them. Damn. Look like getting your dog back.
What the fuck you look like getting rid of my dog? You should never touch my dog, period.
No, you got a baby. Just don't worry about the baby. Baby, you don't even feed you or I feed you.
Okay, so. Only because the baby came and they moved my baby fast car and they fucking flopping.
Oh yeah, you gotta put that shit in the second Sunday. You don't know what birds carry. These real birds.
Call Dior.
I'm
Call
telling
him
right now,
back.
I seen this shit.
Yeah,
I'm telling
glad
right
you
now. Hold
did.
on, call Dior back.
Because that's my fucking dog that I
Hell
bought.
no.
And I plan on getting rid of my dog. He's fucking old.
These is bro, like, look at this color. You don't see birds flying around the world looking like
Do
this.
I care? I'm not interested in birds. So I
So
don't
I am like that shit. That's like a little Woody Woodpecker. That's like a motherfucking, what it's
You gotta
called?
look at this shit with little ass eyes looking like a fucking peep. Give me my dog.
That peep, yeah, they do look like
Call my dog.
That bitch look like a peep. And what about this bite his head on? Like, what happened?
Shut the fuck up.
You think blood come out?
What do you think about to come out of that?
I don't know what you think about come out of it. Cupcake or something?
They ugly as fuck, ain't got no neck. Give me my fucking dog. I really look at
neck,
it.
so I can think
That
that
little
girl.
fat ass neck. Like, no, he don't have a neck.
Doing all that, that's neck. They get some good neck to
Who
their
the
little
fuck
daddy
gets
birds,
birds?
boyfriend
Like,
birds.
come on now. Call Dior.
Y'all be giving y'all boyfriend birds some good ass head. So,
You a weird
they
ass.
be this bitch doing all type of shit. I be catching them doing all the
How
cats
you
and
catch all type of shit?
I seen it.
How long they been here?
I'm talking about since earlier.
They been here since earlier?
Yeah, you always in their sleep. I was in this bit. That's why the little cage was covered up.
So why
The kids been seeing.
so my dog been gone since earlier?
The dog been gone since this morning. You go ahead. I don't know how you don't know that your dog was gone.
Because I've been in the room, that's why. So where's Dior? Can you
No, my
please
dog
call
is
me
little
back?
bird.
That's seriously, I don't do. Get
Go
him
ahead,
Dior,
go
such an
ahead.
ugly ass dog. Where y'all doing right
My
now?
dog in there. He ate some doodle earlier, so he in his cage.
But then you should have got rid of his little nasty
I
ass.
got a train. Dior ugly as
Dior
fuck.
trained.
I'd rather my dog eat doodle than be ugly.
And Dior
The fuck?
is trained though.
What is he
The
doing?
best
He
dog I
biting
ever
on shit
fucking
like
had.
you
Who
that
cares?
evil? The fuck?
What
Yeah.
we gonna do with them? Just look at them?
We just gonna look
That's
at him and just
pointless
like,
as fuck.
oh, I
That's
like that
pointless.
one.
That's
Oh,
pointless.
look. What
Can you
mean?
call
What's
my
wrong with
dog,
that?
Daddy? You so lucky I got my baby.
That
My
little
baby,
bitch got a little arm up and shit,
Cause I was
scratching the shit.
You in this
And that bitch got a
fucking
flea
bitch
pop.
ass.
Shut up, damn. The fuck? But look at this.
Call them people back for my dog.
You got a whole baby in your hand and you trying to do some drop kicks and shit.
Can you call the people?
You're trying to pull your tail. Oh, almost. Oh, did I do that? No.
Why
I
you
didn't.
gonna abuse the little ugly fucker?
I try to play with his little tail. Like, look. That
Well,
bitch
you
bop.
said don't touch him, so go get Dior. You can at least you can rub Dior.
No, it's a prank though.
So where
it's
the
a
fuck
prank.
is my dog?
It's a savage prank. I really got rid of Dior for the birds, but it's a savage prank.
So call the savage ass people and get my dog before I kill these bitches.
Shut up! I'm talking to the birds so
Look
they
at
can learn
that
how to
bitch
talk.
flying down and shit. Like, what
This
the
is having
fuck?
fun in the cage. They love the little cage, the little house. We gotta get a bigger one. You want to buy a bigger one? Bigger cage?
Danny, I don't want these fucking
Something wrong with him.
birds.
The blue one, something wrong with
He
him.
wanna fucking escape. He don't wanna be here. That's
He
what it
belong
is.
outside. That's where he belong at.
Can you get my dog?
Y'all like the attention to son? Do y'all spit his son? Do y'all supposed to be this close? The son?
I don't know why he peeking over him looking at. Oh, look at his daddy.
Yeah, these bitches raw.
No, he's ugly.
He's better than Dior. I'm telling you right now.
What is these right here? These hoes right here. That's how they breathe.
You know them look. That's their nose, son.
See, they didn't have. Come on, get
That's
my
a
dog.
nose. Ooh, that's an ugly nose.
Yeah, they're ugly as
What the
fuck.
fuck? Is that real?
Dior ugly. That them things ugly.
What the fuck? They got a little hole. They upside down ass nose. The fuck? They looking like this nigga talking about.
You
Yeah,
thought
they look
you had
fucked
so
up.
good. Give me my dog.
The only cute thing about y'all
It's nothing.
is like the color. Look how he looking like, nigga, what? Yeah. The only thing cute about y'all is the color.
I don't know why you looking at me, bitch. I want my dog. I don't want you.
Nigga, I'm sitting there, man, your dog got some ugly nose.
Look at him
With
looking
a
over
beak.
the other one.
Yeah.
Snap out
I
of
don't know
it.
if it's a cage, shouldn't them bitches get off my damn
Snap out of
shit.
it.
Stop in the cage. They looking at me to defend me and shit.
I
The
don't-
fuck? They gonna come for me first.
Dior's looking at me to defend him, so why the fuck did you right now? He probably somewhere scared as fuck right now.
But it's a prank though. And
But my dog-
and I'm recording you too.
It
And
doesn't
everybody in
matter.
the camera's gonna be like, oh yeah, I'm using them birds.
Oh, I don't give a
Oh, yeah,
fuck.
yours and them
I don't
birds.
give a fuck. They're not mine.
It's
Where's,
a prank.
I want my dog.
I'm
Where's
not telling you, I'm not
Dior?
telling you where the camera at or nothing.
Where's
Now they loud as fuck. Y'all go in the room and shut the hell up. Shut the hell up.
Leave my kids alone. They
No,
can
huh?
play. Where's
You got me
Dior?
fucked up. Sit there screaming through my whole video
I'm
and
about to
shit.
keep asking you. Where the fuck is my
I got a little
dog?
baby right there looking just like me and shit.
No, she don't. Where's my dog?
What you do?
No, she don't.
No, your dog gone.
I understand that, but I said where? I'm not about to keep fucking begging you to add. Where's
I gave
my
him
dog?
away. The fuck?
Danny, call them
I
back.
gave the dog away for these birds.
Danny,
Fuck
call
him.
them back for I don't want this bird. So that was a shitty surprise.
Little birds. Little birds. Alright, I'm about to end my video. Alright, so I'm about to end this video right here.
Where
you already
the
know what
fuck
it
is my dog?
Team Dolce in the building. Your dog gone.
Danny, I'm
For
like,
these birds.
I swear to God. Okay, keep playing me.
Alright, y'all, we gone. Team Dolce in the building.
If
Let's
you
get
don't
it.
call for my dog,
Yeah.
I swear to God on my life, I'm letting
The
your
bird,
dog
the
out.
dog is gone.
I swear to God on my life, I'm letting your dog outside the front door tonight. And
I
the
traded
bitch
your
is
dog
gonna
for
be
birds, and it
okay.
is what it is.